Welcome to Automania YouTube channel, the most complete automotive channel in YouTube. For 2018, Honda aimed to hone the Fit's chassis to quell bobbing, reduce noise levels, enhance the steering's linearity, and elevate its overall sense of nimbleness. Honda added structural braces around and under the body, swapped the shell-style steering pinion bearing for a solid one, and installed retuned dampers. It also used thicker acoustic materials inside the doors, wheel arches, and pillars, while new layers of soundproofing materials pad the dashboard and the floor. To reduce wind noise, the new Fit gets an acoustically insulating windshield and thicker front quarter windows. Remarkably, despite these refinements, weight is essentially a wash between the new and old cars, according to Honda. Without a pre-refresh Fit on hand for comparison, it's hard to measure the extent to which Honda achieved its ambitions. We can say, however, that the 2018 Fit XL we drove felt focused and planted as we swept along the Santa Clara to Valles rolling to Lanús. As we hurled the Fit into tight corners, its body stayed calm and the 185/55R16 all-season Firestone FR 740 tires generally remained glued to the pavement before gently breaking away into predictable understeer at the limit. Little additional steering feel seems to have resulted from the updates, unfortunately, yet the Fit traced our intended line with utter precision. All the while, it rode with suppleness and composure, more like a Civic sedan than a stubby hatchback. We didn't need any measuring devices to deem the additional cabin insulation a success, while the quietness somewhat clarifies the bleating 1.5-liter inline-4's engine note, still not our favorite sound, especially as it moans when working with the optional continuously variable automatic transmission. CVT its slower overall volume no longer deters drivers from revving it all the way to its 6,800 RPM redline. That's a good thing indeed, considering one must hit 6,600 RPM before all of the powertrain's 128 or 130 horses, depending on transmission, show up. Our first drive of the 2018 Fit was facilitated at Honda Performance Development in California, the R&D and specialized help place for the organization's productive dashing projects, counting the SCCAB spec hustling arrangement that Honda led in 2010 with the Fit Race Auto. It's likewise where the Fit's natty new HPD body and inside bits were produced, thrill that got themselves onto a portion of the test autos we drove. 2018 Honda Fit by Automania channel. The first Honda Fit was a wonder when it burst onto the US auto scene as a 2007 model. With a striking identity, an athletic body, and dazzling space productivity, it instantly set out on an appeal battle that would win examination test after correlation test, and in addition a Car and Driver 10 Best Cars trophy for 7 back-to-back years, a ways into its second era. Oh dear, the most recent Fit has been great, if not exactly awesome, handsomer than any time in recent memory, but rather woefully inadequate with regards to its forerunner's enthusiasm, dynamic refinement, and ease of use. Our 40,000-mile long-haul 2015 Fit earned no deficiency of grumblings, including its persistent buzz at throughway speeds, its small gas tank, the particular infotainment framework that did not have a volume handle, and decreased fun contrasted and its ancestors. Presently a careful mid-cycle upgrade for 2018 gives this third age Fit another opportunity to establish a first connection. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, give us a comment, share to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you again on the next video.